in fact breaking the record of our own at Umlingla. And in the times to come, more records will be broken. On 15th August, 3 days back, BRO has started a road from Mikaru, Migla to Phukche, which is going to be at a height of 19,400 feet. And this is a very important road from the strategic point of view. And this will connect Phukche, which will in the Chumar sector, which will also help deployment of troops at the earliest in case of any critical situation arises all along the LAC. Very recently, as you know, on 3rd October 2020, Honorable Prime Minister dedicated Atal Tunnel to the country, and that is the longest tunnel at 9.02 kilometers at a height of 10,000 feet or above in the world. Very soon, when Sela Tunnel will be dedicated to the nation by Honorable Prime Minister, that will also be the highest, longest bi-lane tunnel in the world at a height of 13,000 feet. Very soon, we will be starting work on Shinkulla Tunnel. Government has announced already the go-ahead for Shinkulla Tunnel on 15th February this year. And this tunnel will be placed at 15,855 feet at a pass of 16,700 Shinkulla. And this will be the highest tunnel in the world in all aspects. Today, Mila Tunnel at 15,500 feet in China is the highest tunnel. But Shinkulla will break the record of that tunnel also. Neoma has been recently announced or cleared by the government. And this airfield, when completed, it will be one of the highest airfields in the world. After DBO, this is at 14,000 feet or so. And this, as crow flies, is only 30 kilometers from LAC. So it will give us a strategic extension or reach to Indian troops in case of any deployment, and also to the Air Force to fly its fixed-wing aircrafts, which was not possible earlier, and our airfields were restricted in Ladakh. So this will be a great advantage to Army as well as Air Force, and we will be able to finish it in 2 working seasons. Our endeavor are that it should be completed next year, December.